Okay, tricycle motor test. So I got the speed controller on. The wires are run through the down tube here. And so I'm gonna attach these up here. I'll probably just hot glue them or something. Shouldn't be that big of a deal, but I'll just hot glue those up. But right now I just wanted to test everything out. So you can see here under the seat. So I ran the wires all the way up the tube here on the inside, coming out here right underneath the seat. So eventually it's going to sit in here and everything's going to be inside of the dummy. But for now, I just hooked it up to the motor speed controller. So I have the two wires coming from the two different motors. One put in reverse, obviously, to go the correct way. Let's see if we can... There we go. So this is a pretty large speed controller. It holds, I mean, it can handle a lot of power. So really it's kind of an overbuilt piece for this project. But and then here's my dial for the speed controller, which really helped a lot. I mean, I needed to go a lot slower. Now that I'm just testing it with the weight to see. So right now it's not hooked up to the battery, because I don't know exactly how much juice is in the battery. So I just hooked it up to the charger, which is still 12 volt, 500 milliamps. So there should be plenty. So I'm just gonna try the switch here, and we'll see. Hopefully, if we can get it into focus, maybe. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I might jump up the speed a little bit, but I don't think it needs to be much more than a crawl. So once the dummy and all the weight is on there, the battery and everything else, hopefully I can keep that slow speed with the power in the battery. So hopefully it has enough torque at that low speed to keep going. I think it should, but alright. So we'll do another update here. Once we start building out everything, I'll charge up the battery and start building up the skeleton, maybe a platform, just because the whole thing is metal, and I think I need a wooden platform just to help not short anything out with all the electrical components that are going to be in there. So here we go. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.